Throughout history, sound has played a critical role in ancient warfare, influencing the outcomes of battles in profound ways. Ancient armies utilized music and sound not only for communication, but also as a psychological tool to intimidate their enemies. For instance, Roman legions employed the cornu, a large horn, to signal troop movements, creating a sense of order amid chaos. In China, war drums synchronized formations, allowing soldiers to maintain coordination during the chaotic moments of battle. The Mongolian warriors famously used loud chants and throat singing to instill fear, creating an intimidating atmosphere on the battlefield. West African kingdoms, like Dahomey, developed complex drumming codes that enabled ambush coordination without revealing their positions. Additionally, ancient Greek warships utilized rhythmic sounds to improve rowing coordination, enhancing their tactical efficiency during naval engagements. Even silence had strategic implications during warfare, as it could mislead opponents about troop movements or impending attacks.